Hey guys, welcome back to the videos. Today is actually going to be a really quick install. I'm actually going to put the new Whiteline pitch stop mounting bracket. Kind of hard to actually say multiple times. This one's actually made out of aluminum, T6 actually, powder coated, so it's actually against corrosion and everything else. We're actually going to get rid of the old one, and I will show you the differences when we get to it. But let's get this done real quick.
Yeah, with me here, I can get like closer.
Which is that? Just leave it alone. Okay guys, we got the intake off. We actually just used the flathead, nothing too extreme. You could always use a 10 mil too if you want. We're actually about to get the pitment bracket off right now, so I'll show you when it gets done. Come off, darling. Ah!
Still recording?
Yeah, I know. Ah!
Yeah. He's like, he can edit. He can edit this out.
Maybe. I don't know. Last time he didn't. Hey, I can't get it with that. Okay. Damn it.
Want me to stop?
It's alright.
It's alright.
Honestly, yeah. It's my goddamn ring on it. It keeps on sticking on these and then it pries it up. And I don't like it because it's gonna eventually fall off and then I won't have anything to snap my sockets back in with. It's warm.
Too bad I didn't bring my breaker bar.
It's alright, I got one here too. wish I had a actual working freaking ratchet. That was the wrong way. Bolt. That's warm. It's really warm. Why is it so warm? Oh yeah, I drove it here. Yeah. Ha! Mother! Ah! 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 Fair warning, guys, if you ever decide to do this, don't do it when you just drove it. Oh my lord, it's warm. Holy, holla, ha, ha, holla, holla, holla. God. Oh, that's warm. That's warm. Oh no. When you have that moment that a part falls, and you can't hear it hit the ground. Pure panic. Okay. Damn it, where's my magnet? I know I have a magnet around here somewhere. Come on, baby. Ah. Here we go. That one. Ah, there. Woo. Oh, that's warm. Damn. Ow. Ow. Second bolt. Whew. There we go. Okay. Okay, guys, here's the old one. So you can see, nothing too extreme. It is made out of hard plastic here. Well, yep, hard plastic. And we got some rubber insoles here, which, as you can see, this one has these little gaps. So, I mean, I guess it's meant for pretty much comfort. As you can see, it's completely different pretty much. A lot more solid, a lot more mass to her. Now, these will be used for pretty much more power. These right now pretty much are meant for power, so if anybody is planning on maybe getting a little more horsepower in her, or you're putting a turbo kit on it, something like that, these probably want to get this, because it will probably tear this one or break it because of how flimsy it is. So it's a good investment if you want to get a little more power on her, which I hope I can, but we'll see what happens.
Good.
Okay guys, don't forget to grease those up nice and good like. That's warm. Again, don't do this if you don't want to get burned. Oh no. Come on. You can't do it. You can't do it. Come on. There we go. I'm pretty much gonna be laying on my thing. Whew. Coming in. How's the shot look, actually? Does it look alright?
Wait, yeah, your hand's kind of blocking the bolt, but I'm sure they can pretty much figure it out.
Sorry for the shot, guys. You're okay with your voice being on YouTube, are you?
No.
Okay. Oh no. It's gonna toy with me now. Come on. Okay. And now just the one more. Okay. Now it is already marked where it should be. Right there. Okay. Washer. And then the bolt. Well, the nut. The nutty nuts of nuts. Sorry, guys. I don't mean to be weird. It just happens sometimes when you work on cars. Ugh. Oh, another reason why you should really keep track of your tools. So if you use a 14mm wrench and a 14mm socket, go ahead and get them somewhat tight here, and then tighten up to factory specs. This one actually, I think this one actually came with specs. Refit 14mm retorque manufacturer specs. Austin, if you heard that, can you please edit that out? I didn't mean to say they don't have the factory specs on the paperwork, so just show me tightening it. Okay. Okay, guys, and we got her fully in. As you can see, she looks really good actually with this. Sorry about the mess, it's a little dirty underneath here. So next thing we really have to do is go ahead, put this intake tube back on real quick, and that's about it. Fairly easy install. I honestly needed just 3 tools, nothing too extreme. So yeah, let's get this thing finished. Check. This is too big of a screwdriver. I'm sorry for this job. If you guys you guys don't need this big of a screwdriver. I'm just letting you know. You literally just need a screwdriver. That's it. Or a 10 mil. Which I'd rather have the 10 mil. Just saying. It's a lot faster. Okay. That's pretty much it. Now, I didn't mention this before, guys, but come on over. There's a hose right here actually connected. I was gonna take it off, but it's kind of giving me a little bit of hell, so I'm just gonna go ahead. I left it on and I just kind of bent this that way. So it's kind of got it out of the way for it. As you can see, it didn't really make a difference. So we're gonna go ahead, put this thing back on. Oh man, if it will. Come on. There we go. And okay. Okay guys, that's it. I can't really say I broke a sweat. I didn't break a sweat because it's nice and warm out today. So got that old one off real quick. We're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna see how she does. Hopefully she's a little bit stiffer. I do have some new sway bars from them actually. So thank you, Whiteline, for your products. Very good. I'm not no paid promotion here. You know, just saying that if you guys ever need some suspension parts, I prefer them. They've been very good to me. I had an incident with one of their sway bars on the front. I contacted them. They were very nice, and they actually were able to help me out and get it returned. So I'm actually looking to get my front one swapped out again. So, but we're gonna get that rear one later, and that seems about it. So, again, it literally was maybe 20 minutes, maybe 30 minutes. Very easy install. Really don't need that many tools. So, thank you, Whiteline, for your products. And thank you all for watching. Thank you for all your likes, and you know, if you guys decide to do it, go ahead, subscribe, or give me just a like, please. I'm not looking to get famous or anything. So, but thank you guys. I'll see you guys in the next one.